Meet Jyoti Amge.
Hello, I'm Jyoti Amge.
A young woman from Nagpur, India who stands at just 2 feet tall. Born with a genetic condition called primordial dwarfism.
The moon is beautiful.
Jyoti's height is that of a 4-month-old baby. Jyoti has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the shortest woman in the world. She aspires to be an international star. And in 2014, she was a guest on an episode of the American Horror Story Freak Show.
I needed her, but he could not be moved.
Jyoti's journey is one of true courage and determination. Despite facing challenges and discrimination, Jyoti refused to let her condition limit her dreams.
मैं सभी को यही मैसेज दूंगी जो मेरे जैसे लोग हैं बहुत सारे। मैं उन्हें यही कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर हमें आगे बढ़ना है तो लोगों की जो कमेंट्स हैं उसे इग्नोर करें।
Her positivity and determination is a true inspiration to all of us. Jyoti's message is clear. No matter what life throws at you, you have the power to overcome it and achieve greatness. 71% of you that watch this channel don't subscribe. If you've ever enjoyed the channel, could you please do me a huge favor and click the subscribe button? It helps the channel more than you think. The bigger the channel gets, the more you help us save lives.